Meaning of dulcet.
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 Dulcet. The word dulcet is an adjective used to describe a sound or a flavor that is sweet, soothing, and pleasing to the ear or palate. When something is described as dulcet, it implies that it has a gentle and melodious quality that can evoke positive emotions and feelings of calmness. This term is often used in literature and music to describe a pleasant tone or melody, or in food criticism to describe a subtle and satisfying taste. Overall, dulcet refers to something that is charming, delightful, and easy on the senses.